Hello everyone and welcome to the video on the USB-A series of connector from GTC. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have a number of components, these being the panel mount connectors and the cable end connectors. So just to give you a bit of background on the connectors, they are available in either plastic or metal material. They are IP67 rated, making them a really good, robust connector. They are available in two different sizes, being the C3 and the C4. Now the C3 has a panel cutout design of 25.4mm and the C4 has a panel cutout of 28.6mm. In terms of the coupling, they are available as bayonet or screw. They have a max current of 1.8 amps. All GTC panel mount connectors are rear potted with epoxy glue. So the application that it's actually connected to is protected against any water damage. Now, just looking at the panel mount connectors in front of me, as you can see with this particular panel mount connector, it has straight dip pins. Now, if you are wanting dip pins, they are available as straight or 90 degree. Or you can have different couplers at the rear. This particular one has a USB-B on the end. This particular one has a USB-A on the end. Or you can have a pre-wired cable on the end to a USB-A socket, or you can have the cable blunt cut. It's all down to your requirements, so it can be made to meet your requirements. Now, in terms of the accessories that come with the connectors, for both the panel mount plastic and metal versions, they do come with an optional cap. As you can see here, this is a metal cap. There also is a plastic version, and the caps just protect against any dirt or moisture. Now, with the cable end connectors, as you can see in front of me here, they do come in different cable lengths, and these range from 0.1 meters to 10 meters, and you can have them as either 90 degree or straight. As you can see here, 90 degree and straight here. You can have them as a blunt cut cable or with a USB-A connector plug or socket on the end, or any other connector that would meet your requirements. Now, in terms of the applications that the USB-A connectors would work within, the applications range from industrial panels, automated machinery and control equipment. So if you are in the market for a USB-A connector, we are more than happy to help you, and if you would like more information, please do visit our website at www.liveelectronicsgroup.com where more information can be found, and you can contact our sales team for further information. Thank you very much for watching this video.